Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you these huge boxes. So you must have eaten Kellogg's that you need to mix with milk and then eat it. It's a kind of yum and healthy breakfast. So they have come with this new concept of Coco Pops. So what is this? These are basically bar forms and very soft bar forms, and it is rich in vitamin D and calcium, and they have some game also going on. You need to download the app and all, leave that apart. So they have mentioned the nutritional information over here, and so over here you can see they have come with 4 different type of bars, and this one is the first one which I purchased. These are really amazing and limited edition have come up. So you just need to lift this up, they have said, and then you can take out the bars. So here comes the 6 bars in it. Very nice, very amazing. Choco Pops. So these are Choco Pops. It is same on whatever is in the pack, because I have already eaten it and it tastes amazing friends. So as you can see in the pic also, it is same, exact same. I love this similarity. See, there is white chocolate at the end also, and it's very tasty. Very crunchy, milky. This is crunchy. Very yum. I just loved it. I can't stop myself to eat them all. They taste amazing. So friends, what are you waiting for? Go and purchase it. It is amazing, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.